Hey guys, today I'm going to show you BMW and Mini's procedure for sectioning quarter panels. It's a unique approach relying mostly on structural adhesives and rivets, while the D-pillar section welded. Is it pure genius or a risky move? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments. These are the OEM sleeves required for the quarter panel replacement. There are actually 4 sleeves in total, though one is universal and isn't shown here. Each specific model has its own set of OEM sleeves that can be ordered from the dealer. Each sleeve has threaded studs attached to it, which you'll secure using plastic nuts to hold the quarter panel in place. This will be demonstrated later in the video. First, I'll position the sleeves, marking the studs with a marker on both the car side and the new quarter panel. Next, I'll use a grinding bit to create semicircular recesses for the stud bolts. With that done, I'll prepare the 2 D-pillar sleeves for welding, giving them a coat of weld-through primer and then tacking them into place. For the other 2 sleeves and any area that will be adhesive bonded, I'll clean the surfaces with R1 cleaner and then apply the BMW K5 adhesive. For the new parts like the sleeve and quarter panel skin, the adhesive is applied directly to the E-coat. For the car side, the adhesive will be applied to the bare metal. To install the sleeve, I'll apply the K5 adhesive to the half that fits against the car. Install it, and then apply more adhesive to the remaining half before installing the quarter panel skin. This sleeve didn't really want to stay in place, so I used a piece of tape to hold it there while installing the quarter panel. Now I'll apply the K5 adhesive to the remainder of the sleeve, install the quarter panel, and tighten down the plastic nuts to secure the quarter panel. I'll tighten down the nuts, making sure that the 2 panels line up together, matching all the corners and bends. Now that the quarter panel is set, I'll install the N4 and N5 self-piercing rivets around the perimeter of the skin, following the procedure to ensure the correct number of rivets for each section. Now I can go ahead and weld the D-pillar. After the adhesive has cured, I'll remove the nuts, cut off the studs, grind them down flush, and prep the surface for an application of multifunctional filler. Alright everyone, that's pretty much it for this one. I truly enjoy the adhesive and riveting process. It's such a fascinating and efficient approach. I believe it's the way forward in repair work. Compared to welding, it's a more straightforward technique with little learning curve when it comes to using adhesives and rivets. Plus, it preserves the material in its most original state. On the other hand, welding has its drawbacks. It's prone to rusting over time, and the extreme heat used in the process can alter the metal's properties, potentially weakening it. Overall, adhesives and rivets seem like the far more reliable and long-lasting solution. Let me know what you think of the repair process down below. If you like this video, check out my YouTube channel where you can find all sorts of auto body videos just like this. And don't forget to subscribe.